you open it? Can you get it?
Here, honey.
Candy.
I think it's candy. Teamwork. Mom's helping you. Oh, use your muscles, Mom. What is that?
Oh no, what is that?
Oh, a book.
Card.
Oh, card. Oh, what is that?
Candy Hershey.
Candy Hershey Kisses.
Later.
For later? Okay. Put them on a chair for later. Okay. You want to open that card?
Woody card.
What are those?
Fun.
Stickers.
Wow. What neat
More
stuff. Oh, neat.
Chalk for your easel.
Oh, wow.
What is card?
I think it's all sorts of colors. See? Look on the box.
Over there.
See? It's got purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue.
All right, I'll send this movie to Nanny. Can you tell Nanny thank you?
Thank you.
Look at the camera and say thank you.
Thank you.
No, look at the camera.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh.
Can you send her a hug?
Oh. That's very sweet. Oh, the kiss. Oh, very good, honey.
Look, and Nanny sent you a card. Let's read the card.
What's the card
Honey,
say?
you can use your chalk in a minute.
What is that?
What?
Sorry for that plumber's view there. The pants are a little baggy.
Hello.
Ooh, what's that?
Happy Valentine's, little boy.
Happy Valentine's. I think it's probably for Easter.
Happy Valentine's, little boy.
Happy Valentine's, Lauren.
Sheep.
A
His
sheep.
granddaughter. Happy Easter, you sweet little thing, and thank you for all of the blessings you bring. We love you, Nanny and John. Oh, and look,
Aww.
honey. What's this? Oh,
Money to money.
2 money.
2 monies. $2. I bet that's because you're 2. Aww.